Good morning everyone and welcome to this new video. Today it will be simple. We will see how to create some generic assets with Python. This technique will work for almost every assets that you can create inside Unreal, like sequences, material, world, particle systems, flipbook and more. In short, it will work for everything that does not require some additional parameter to be created. For example, it is not possible to create a data table using this method, because we need to tell Unreal which structure to use to generate it. Bref, here we go. My function createGenericAsset takes 4 parameters. A string that contains the asset's path, a bool to specify if you want to generate a unique name if the asset already exists, the asset's class, and the factory to use. Sadly, we always need to specify the factory, even though the process is kinda straightforward. To find which factory you need, you can go to the Python API and search for factory. Then with Ctrl F, search for the class you want to create. And there is a good chance that you'll find what you need. Bref, going back to code. First, if we wanted to have an unique name, we can ask the asset tool to generate one. Then we need to make sure that the asset doesn't exist. Otherwise, Unreal will only show a pop-up and pause the process. And if it exists, we can simply load it and return it, if it's something that you want. If the asset doesn't exist, we can call the createAsset function and give it the asset name, the path, the class, and the factory. And that's it. Here, I have a simple example to create multiple assets. I'm using a list that contains the paths, classes, and factories. Then I'm looping through all of them and call my function. Let's see what happens. Well, I have all my new assets, except for the data table because of the reason I explained before. Perfect! Voila, that's it for today. I hope you're having an awesome day, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.